Hi everyone, I am Prince Kumar along with my team member Srija Shah and we are Team Alpha. We have worked on work like alone Chrome extension. For that we have created a Pomodoro time extension, Chrome extension along with the to-do list for that. The main motive of our project was to use our time more efficiently and in a structured manner. Right. For that we have done first of all dive into the coding part. Right. There is our HTML code. Right. We have created three logic, that is Pomodoro, that is of the that usually follow the 25 minute of time slot to be at focused mode. After that a short break that should be of 5 minutes, and after completing a four cycle of that we should go for a long break that should be of 15 minutes. Along with that we have also added the to-do list. For that we can add the tasks that we have to perform on a certain day and we can mark it as complete. Right. And after that we have done the CSS part of it. Right. And after that we have done our JavaScript code. Right. Okay. The main motive of our project was to utilize our time more efficiently. That's why we have created, if I try to run it. Okay, you can say you can simply add a task. If I add perform coding or schedule a meet, suppose I have a meeting at a certain point of time as meeting, right? You can simply add the task. If you want to have a study a particular topic or anything, whatever you want to study, I simply add the study or the game, right? These are the tasks that I have to perform on a certain day, right? If you want to simply start the timer here, the timer will start here, and whenever your time gets completed, it automatically get stop. Otherwise you can stop from by using the stop button. You can also use a short break. Yeah. You can also use a short break that should be of 5 minutes, right? And a long break that should be of 15 minutes that you can do, right? But how can you use it, right? That's the problem. Simply go over the Google Chrome and get into our GitHub repository. Simply go over prince0786 slash Chrome extension. You will get all the codes from here. You can simply download or fork or you can see the you can clone it in your PC, right? After that, you need to run the code, and if you want to add the Chrome extension to your file, go to into three dot icon and click over the extension and manage extension. Here I have already added the extension. First of all I will remove it. Okay. By default the developer mode is alt off, so that's why you have to enable it first. And load, go where load unpacked, and you need to go over your file where you have, right, web, and simply select the folder. Right. Now the Google Chrome extension has been added to my file. Now how can you use it? Simply go over the Google Chrome and go into the extension. You can even pin into the top bar so that you can get by default over your screen, right, and launch it. Now you can perform your whatever the task you want to perform. Suppose I want to perform a coding at a particular time of simply you can also mention the time at 12 o'clock or something like that, whatever your, right. These are your tasks. Okay, music, right. These are just for example. You can do whatever you want and start the timer, right. Now the time, even if you want to delete it, you can simply delete from here, right. You can simply if you want to study in a focused mode, then you start the timer from here, and you can stop it. Same as for the short break and the long break, right? You can simply exit from here. These are our project. Hope you have liked our project. If you like that, then please like and subscribe with our videos. Thank you.